let's get into this hair. Dreads, cool summer style. This is her hair from the beginning before shampoo. Gonna get ready to shampoo her hair. That is it all clean and ready to go. I'm going to do my favorite braiding pattern. You will see. Just watch and learn. I add a little braiding hair at the beginning of every braid so the braid will not slip. Just add a little braiding hair at the beginning of the braid.
Yeah.
I like to braid my perimeter going up so you can have a up style and not see a big braid. So I braid all of the edges going up. I make sure I oil the hair while I go as well. And I braid the hair into one big final braid at the end, and it has only one end. It's my grease. And I put the braids all together. I make sure that I bring all of the braids in that one braid that's going around. As you can see.
Yeah.
Braiding as I go, I hooking all braids into to have one end tail. Braiding the hair down, trying to make sure there are no ends left out, just one end for easy takedown. Sometimes the braid is too big, so I have to bring the braid on over to the other end. going to be giving her a versatile look to where it looks like it is all singles around her head. And it's just singles going to be in the front area. And I'm braiding the hair at the beginning and braiding it to the end, her natural hair. And I will add some sparks, some places that need it. I will be adding hair. But most of it is just going to be her hair braided down, and we're going to hook it on. Just continue to watch.
Yeah.
It took me about 3 hours to do this style, but it is a great style. It's very convenient and it is protective style for your hair. And you want to make sure you get it oiled very good. put the singles in already. There's a lot of videos on it on YouTube on how to put them on there. But that is her singles on the front of her hair. Very natural looking. Very look neat
Yeah.
and everything. So then we're gonna work on the back. And that's her. She's loving her new look. Soft dreads. Freetress. Get into it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. You can also follow me